What? This is my room, but why are there fish everywhere? My room smells like fish. Well, I know that, but why are the fish here in the first place? Dear Tim and Moby, can you show me how to identify the subject and predicate parts of a sentence? From Mark. Sure, Mark. Every sentence has a subject and predicate that form a complete thought. Take the sentence, "My room smells like fish." The subject is the part of the sentence that tells us who or what the sentence is about. The sentence is about my room, the room belonging to me, so that's our subject. The predicate is the part of the sentence that tells you something about the subject, what the subject is, what it's like, what it does, what it has, whatever. In this sentence, we're saying that my room smells like fish, so smells like fish is our predicate.